Have you ever crossed an ocean, chasing one dream, believing tomorrow could change your life? Dreams don't expire. As a little boy, growing up in Haiti, I loved the movies of Bruce Lee, Jackie Chan. I dream of learning martial arts at the Shaolin Temple. One day, I'd whisper, I'll walk in China. Life moved on, Paris called and New York work filled my days. The little boy fell asleep, but the dream never died. Some dreams wait for the perfect time. Chongqing forever, forever in my heart. One city, one friendship, one brand new start. Dreams don't expire, hope never fades. One helping hand can change your days. Chongqing, China, I'll always remember your name. February 1st in Chongqing, China. One suitcase, $1 billion dream. Didn't cross the ocean for vacation. I didn't come to sightsee. I came to China chasing $1 billion dream. Months of research, one bold idea, baby milk, America to China. I believe hard work could build tomorrow. Then one phone call changed everything. The business deal no longer felt the same. Thousands of miles far from home, I couldn't read Chinese, I couldn't speak Chinese. Every minute felt like my future was slipping away. Hey! Then Jonathan, an angel sent by God, walked beside me when I couldn't read Chinese. Jonathan read it and let me know what was happening when I couldn't speak Chinese. Jonathan spoke on my behalf when I couldn't find my way in Chongqing, China. Jonathan showed me the way. Jonathan helped me stop the shipment of baby milk and find a warehouse in California. Jonathan helped protect my dream and hope returned. Chongqing forever, forever in my heart. Jonathan, one true friend, changed my whole path. Dreams don't expire, hope never fades. One helping hand can change your life. Woo! Now I could breathe, now I could see beautiful Chongqing smiling back at me. Jifeng Bay, Hongyi Yadong, Cao Tian, Nam Bin Road, Tikiko, Nanshan, Yangtze River, Jialing River. Every morning a Whitney Houston song floated through the square, greeting the sunrise. The city awakened, and so did I. Looking back, I finally understand why one door had to close before another one could open. You'll never know. You didn't just save my investment, you gave me time to discover Chongqing. One little website, one simple message. I'll teach you Tai Chi if you'll teach me English. The little Haitian boy who loved Kung Fu movies was dreaming again. Chongqing forever, forever in my heart. From Haiti to America to beautiful Chongqing. Woo! Dreams don't expire, hope never fades. I came to Chongqing chasing $1 billion dream. I left carrying $1 billion memories. Today I am back in Chongqing, not with containers or contracts. Today I return with the sounds that raised me, the music. Woo! My mother, Mammy cello, and my dad, Poppy Dodo, danced to the music. My neighborhood celebrated too. This is Konpa. This is Tim Tim Live Konpa music. My gift from Haiti to Chongqing. Jonathan, thank you for welcoming me like a brother. If Chongqing is still your home, the song is for you. If Chongqing still lives in your heart, dance with me like